Alex Pereira, Brazilian kickboxing and now going to become a UFC star, converts to Islam. It was announced 7 years ago, but the video of his shahada and becoming a Muslim has been released. It was confirmed by Sheikh Khalid Taqi al-Din, the chairman of the Supreme Council of Imams and Islamic Affairs in Brazil. He stated, "In search for inner peace, contentment, and perfect character, and after a close reading about Islam, Pereira, the first kickboxing star in Latin America and Brazil and the 6th in the world, has found his purpose," Sheikh Taqi al-Din told International Islamic News Agency. The kickboxer, who read some books about Islam given to him by a friend of his, called Hamza, became a frequent visitor to the Federation of Muslim Associations in Brazil to meet with scholars, who explained to him the principles of Islam. Consequently, he decided to convert to Islam, Taqi al-Din noted. Remember that Alex Pereira was ranked the first Brazilian kickboxer in kickboxing. Then he decided to come to the UFC. Pereira has beat 2 of his opponents in the UFC. He has also beaten the UFC middleweight champion Israel Adesanya twice in kickboxing. Alex Pereira is fighting Sean Strickland this weekend.
Eu testemunho e não há outra divindade além de Deus. Eu testemunho que Muhammad seu mensageiro. Alhamdulillah.
Sempre vem conversando comigo, falando o que era. E, pô, eu me interessei, né, porque ele falou, pô,